What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Dean Team Golf Carts. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on our 2020 RXV CPO. All right, so you might be wondering, what is a CPO? So a CPO is a certified pre-owned cart. So that is a cart that has come off of a golf course, been sent back to E-Z-GO back in Athens, Georgia, has been completely rebuilt by them, and then is sent back to us to sell to you. So the big advantage of going with the CPO is going to be, you're going to be getting virtually a brand new cart for the cost of a used cart. Also with the CPO, you're going to get 2 years of warranty on this cart from factory, which is awesome. Another awesome thing about the CPOs is going to be, it gives us a great platform to build on. So we can come in and do custom wheels. We can do things like our custom body and paint we did on this one. We can come in and do our custom seats, which we have many different kinds of. And we can just really put our artistic side into it and get you an awesome cart for a super affordable price. Really cool thing about the CPOs also is that we can get you a lithium cart that is American made for under $10,000. All right, thank you guys so much for taking a walk around with us on our certified pre-owns. If you guys want to see any of our new certified pre-owns we have in stock, you guys can come on in and check them out. If you guys also want to see them from home, you can go to deanteamgolfcarts.com and check them out on our website. If you guys have any further questions on these, you can call us at 314-647-4000. If you guys would like to check out our social medias, you guys can check us out at Dean Team Golf Carts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.